Hello and welcome. I am Croton and I'm here to demonstrate a HDR system I've made in Atmosphir using triggers. It uses basically the triggers and counters and area triggers, and it uses two skyboxes. You can use actually only one, but I'm going to show it with two so you can see it pretty nicely. It's all documented here in info stickers, so I'm going to make this available for downloads so anyone can check this out. And you can read up the exact workings by reading the stickers. So I'm going to just show you. So we have first of all we have the outside skybox, which is optional. You can have nothing here, it doesn't matter. But for me, I use this one because it makes more sense to me to have like two skyboxes to configure the whole system. But if you have other areas in your level that you need different skyboxes and even different like other than this one, so you'll need to keep this one out and configure it on your rules, like as if this one was here. So basically that. Or you can use this one and have it by default, but you're not going to be able to use any other skybox in your level. Just these two ones, or anything that is triggered like without these ones being triggered. So yeah, this one is a little bit of a blue shade of ambient color, a rather dark sky. You can use any sky you want, but I used this one just for example. And the intensity is very normal here, and the other things don't matter. You can change it for to whatever you want. And this one is the inside skybox that is applied when the user is inside the room. So if you see here, it's a lot more brighter, and it's a little bit of a red tint, and it has a very intense ambient color and a very intense sun. This makes the effect that if you're inside here and you look outside, you're going to see like everything blooming, very bright. This happens in real life, and when you get out and go back to the usual brightness of the outside, you're going to see things a little bit blue because of how the cones work in AI. So yeah, that's basically it, and I'm going to show you now. You can just enter here and it's going to get very bright, and you can like live in here without having to place area triggers everywhere. And then you go back here and it's going to, just as always, going to have the normal skybox. Then you go back here, it's going to switch to the interior, and it works infinitely. It's not going to glitch if someone steps in the middle, by the way. Only if they keep doing this. And you can actually just add some timers on the outputs of that trigger system up there. But if you want to like make the brightness last a little longer until the person like actually leaves the building, so it looks a little more lifelike. But this is the base system, so you can add to it as you want. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.